Legends of Learning presents the Space Repair Game. This is a science game that makes learning about atoms and elements fun and easy to understand.
All right.
In this informative, instructional game, a crazy solar storm disrupted communication networks on Earth. Satellites are disabled and need to be repaired. You are given a spacecraft capable of synthesizing materials needed for satellite repair. Learn about atom structure and test your skills while saving humanity from disaster. Your goal is to repair 5 satellites using your knowledge of atoms and element structures. You will travel to 5 satellites and assess the repair needed. Your new spaceship is able to synthesize new materials for the repair. You will drag and drop the correct words, protons, neutrons, and electrons as per instructions to synthesize the new material needed to repair the satellite. You will use your mouse to click on puzzle pieces, connect the pipes as per the instructions, repair all the satellites, and save humanity from disaster. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.